Let's do a quick follow-up on GBPUSD. This is on a 4 time frame. Let me go to daily. You see how daily yesterday was. Yesterday was quite choppy. My price was moving up and down, so you couldn't be able to catch a good trade. So yesterday I didn't catch a good trade, but day before yesterday was quite bearish, all the way from this daily fair value gap. See, from this zone, a very nice fair value gap. If you look, price has been bearish on a daily time frame all the way from here. This is from 1800 all the way. We have a nice fair value gap here. Then we could see another one. Yes, this is our latest fair value gap. The line, the zone I've marked with two purple lines. So, like we said on Monday, we expect the price to come and breach the monthly low. Let me show you. Good weekly. Then you go down to monthly. You can see properly. You see, this is the monthly low, the lowest point that price has ever been on GBPUSD. This is when you see price of I've already breached that one. That's around 1400. So now expecting a price to bounce back to the upside. So let's see. If you go to weekly, see, if you go to weekly now, you can probably see it. A small purge and revert, call them purge and revert. Price comes and just dips into a strong zone, then bounces back. So now let's see how this week will close. See, we come down to daily. Yesterday was the day that price patched through this zone, this line I've marked in red. Now today's price action will determine if price is going to continue, it's going to bounce back, or it's going to continue to the downside. Now you see, so our main zone is the daily low. Yesterday's low. If price now yesterday's low, expect that to be our lowest point for this week. That should be our lowest point. That should be our weekly low. The daily low, that is around 1405. That is 1405. Yes. So now, if you're expecting price to bounce back to the upside, let's see our trigger point, or we can say the zones we'll be looking at. Now you see, ukikuja kwa 4 hour, see, hapa ndio price iligeukia. That is on Tuesdays, right after imefika kwa the daily fair value gap. So now when price started moving all the way down here, kucheka breach zone, our first fair value gap ni hii hapa. Hii unaona nime highlight, this is this zone, that is the low of this candle and the high of this candle. That zone, fair value gap, is an untraded area. Price tends to come to that untraded area as a strong support or resistance zone. Now you can see price imepanda, imekoja all the way. Hii yenye unaona nime highlight, that's our fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame. So price imekuja imefika kwa hiyo fair value gap, then inakani kama ina bounce back. So now here is our trigger point. If price breaks this fair value gap to the upside, then that will be our confirmation for a bullish movement. So whenever penye itakuja imegeukia hapa chini, ndio ikuje ku break hapa hii zone. So that's why we will place our buy, then our stop loss will be wherever this price will turn at. Ikigeukia penye iko, then comes and breaks this zone, then we'll do a buy here. tuweke stop loss yetu hapa. Alright, so go down to, ukiangalia 4 hour ni kama nataka ku complete a double bottom, or we call it a W or double bottom. Let me show you. See, price may come all the way here, may make a first bounce, it may rudi tena, it may make the second bounce. So if this one comes all the way here, so now you expect small retracement to the neckline, then price continues to the upside. So if we see price now break this zone, now there'll be a further confirmation that price is going to complete the formation of a W pattern. So expect it to come and trade above this zone. That's around 16,200 up, boy. So that is on a 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. See, 1 hour hapa ni penye ili bounce off from yesterday, right? This zone here, kiangalia they may move all the way here up to here. This is our this is the latest fair value gap penye me deep in right now. Penye me deep in right now. So we want to see if that holds the price. If not, then we have an alternative. We'll do a Fibonacci. See, on a 1 hour time frame. See this zone. We'll do a Fibonacci around this zone. Nice. You see where 50% is and 61.8 is. You see, these are 61.8, around 14,580. That is our big figure will be 14,500. So we expect the price either to turn around at this point or comes down all the way to this point, then starts bouncing back. All right, if price comes to this point, 61.8, then if you go down to 1 hour, now price will be completing an inverted head and shoulder. All right, because this is our shoulder, this is our first shoulder. Let me show you. This is our first shoulder, and this will be the head. Then expect the next shoulder to be formed around this zone, so that price can bounce back. All right, so that those are the things that we'll be observing. But if price breaks this zone here to the upside, that will be a bullish confirmation. This will place a or buy trade. All right, unless then if price comes down all the way and breaks this zone, then that's where we'll be placing our sell. That is on our 1 hour time frame. All right, so our work now is to observe and see the price action. How does the price play out? See, so our fib will remain at that point. Then you get to see if price bounces from this zone or comes up all the way down to our 61.8 fib level. If price now shows a reversal pattern from this zone, then we'll be doing our buy from this point. Or for further confirmation, we use for the price to break this zone. So in terms of fundamentals, let me see if you have something. Oh yes, I think we had said for this week the only important day in terms of fundamentals is today. Now this is about jobless claims in US. If the number of jobless goes up, then it weakens the USD. Then we are going to buy. So these numbers will really determine. So Kenyan time ni around 3:30, if I'm not wrong, 3:30 at June. Then when we get the news. So this one I think will be our trigger point for the movement to either direction, so we stay on the lookout. My FX book is the best app for watching the news, so you can download that app and be on the lookout for important news. All right.